Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So if you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. And here the Facebook as well as the Telegram group, both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test from one of the state university. Here the total 103 vacant seats among the 16 departments, and eligibility is the PG. Candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam electronic science. So the revision course through MCQs is going to start from April 7th, 2021 onwards from the Unacademy side. Okay, so myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And regarding these details, I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down. Now, while coming to the present content of the video, it is Bodoland University. So this notification came on 4th March 2021. So here the PhD admission notice. Online or offline applications in prescribed form are invited from the eligible candidates for admission in the PhD courses of Bodoland University for the academic session 2021 to 22. And here the departments offering the PhD program mentioned here, and the number of vacant seats are also mentioned here, so you may check down. The departments are Bodo and Economics and Political Science, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, Zoology, Biotechnology, Computer Science, Mathematical Sciences, Geography, Assamese, Commerce, English, Management Studies and History. So here from the 16 departments, okay, approximately 103 vacant seats are there. So all the interested and eligible candidates may apply this, and here you may check down the eligibility. Okay, if any person with at least a 55% or equivalent grade in a master's degree of this university and from other university recognized by the UGC in any subject like faculties of humanities, arts, science, commerce, law, management, technology, fine arts, engineering, science and medical science, or other professional subjects or equivalent degree from a foreign educational institution, and a 5% of relaxation is available to these candidates, that is SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer and differently abled and other categories. And the candidates who have cleared the MPhil coursework with at least 55% of marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade and successfully completing the MPhil degree shall be eligible to proceed to do the research work leading to the PhD degree. Okay, so these are the instructions given here, so you may check down. And how to apply is that candidates may apply online on payment of 700 rupees and for offline for the course on payment of 500 rupees, okay, for general and OBC, and 400 rupees for SC, ST and PWD candidates through e-challan, draft or cash as an entrance test, cash as an entrance test fee. And the web link is mentioned here for the purpose shall be active for application up to 17th March 2021. That means the closing date of the online application form is 17th March. And in case any candidates are facing to apply through online mode, then candidates may download the application form from the university website and submit the filled in application in the respective department after paying the fee mentioned above in the university cash counter. And here the scheduled dates are given. 17th March is the last date, and 22nd March is the publishing the list of eligible candidates for the research eligibility test. 25th March is a written test, and 30th March is publishing the list of shortlisted candidates. And 31st March to 8th April, the personal interview, and 10th April, publication of the list of selected candidates. And 12 to 20 April, admission of selected candidates, and 22nd April, publication of waiting list if any, and 26th April, commencement of the classes. And the documents that you have to submit at the time of admission is all certificates and mark sheets of your undergraduation as well as a post-graduation, and if you are having MPhil, then that one, registration certificate of the Bodoland University and the no objection certificate as well as a study leave certificate of 6 months for coursework. Okay, and here the fee is also mentioned. Okay, fee structure for the PhD program is also mentioned. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may once go through this one, guys. So please share this video. And to get more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide